This is Croc Lip. Are you sick and tired of throwing away your favorite hats just because, well, the Velcro's gone bad? Or maybe there's something wrong with the ring attachment? Or maybe there's just some weird manufacturing error? I'm sick of it too. That's why I came up with this little guy. Now, Croc Lip is as simple as taking your hat, taking the bad Velcro, cutting it off, attaching Croc Lip. Croc Lip's attached, and taking the provided Croc Lip strap, inserting the little plastic part, looping it around your ring, and now you got your favorite hat back. Say there's something wrong with the ring attachment on your hat. This guy right here, take your scissor, cut that off, like so. Take another Croc Lip, insert the provided ring attachment, slide that right in, and now you got your own ring attachment as well. I can't tell you how many hats I've gone through simply because, well, I don't know how to stitch on my own hat strap. That's where I can solve this issue for you. Croc Lip is more than just a fix-it. It is also a fashion statement. So for all you fashionistas, it comes in a variety of colors and patterns in case you want to spice up the look of your hat. Now for a clear demonstration, here's the animation.